your haircut for your anniversary.
500 feet, turn right onto 50th Street.
I do. It's our 42nd wedding anniversary today.
Yay!
Yay! And I'm gonna get my haircut finally. I'm in dire need.
3, 2, 1, action.
Let's go hiking.
We get to go for a hike today.
We do.
So we were invited by our new friends, Jamie and Chris, and we're all going to go out for a hike.
It's so nice out.
It is. It's
It's
gorgeous.
not windy or anything.
All right, let's get down there before we're late. We're going to be late.
You want to try them on now, or do you want to just slide them here underneath the car until we get back?
I'll put them under the car till we get back. I'll be good in these.
So real quick, this is my friend Max.
Hi,
She's
Max.
going to be helping me lead you because she's walked out there more than I have. Okay. This is Bubba and Kat, Jim and Kelly, and then you've met Roger a couple times.
I got my climbing gear,
Okay.
Oh, I didn't
my
introduce you.
spelunking gear.
By the way, Bubba and Kat, this is actually my husband, Chris.
Hi, Chris.
Hi, Chris. He's so worried that everybody's going to think that Roger and I are together, so I just want to make sure everybody
That's all I
knows.
do.
A couple of French benefits, but
They don't walk.
I didn't know I was telling a lie. It's been a long day for sure.
We actually met the artist for the first time yesterday. One of them's name is Karen.
Nice.
Her name is Karen. Moving on.
I could wait for 1,000 years, but it would do.
I don't think we'll get to Jim's famous trail, which is what? You're talking about the cactus trail. The cactus gone. But I don't think we'll make it that far. We'll see how y'all feel in the end, because we got to get you back.
Yeah.
So at some point when you start feeling that point, just tell us when to turn, okay? We'll get you back.
So come back soon, you are my missing part. I know that you'll be you, 'cause you're my sweetheart. When you're around, I feel the sparks takes me high.
These are what you want to watch, those of you with not hard. You see these? They'll go right through your shoes.
Let me be close to you forever, ever, darling. You're my sweetheart. I will stay just to feel your heart pumping next to mine. Do you feel that I'm your missing part? That you're finally right. You got me out of this feverish dream. You are holding my hand. I have no clue, don't know what it means, but I know you'll understand. 'Cause when you're away, there's a hole in my heart. Feels like a deja vu. I know for sure you are my missing part. I know that you'll be you.
Did you see how everybody got out of our ways as we coming down the freeway? Look out! Smart car.
So what are we doing?
We're gonna have dinner.
After a long day of hiking.
Oh yes. It was fun. We had such a good time.
It was fun.
Yeah.
We parked with Kat and Bubba.
We just took up one spot.
2 for 1.
That's right.
All right, here we go.
You're my sweetheart. You're my sweetheart. Sweetheart. You're my sweetheart.
All right, propane's loaded.
Yay.
Time to get some gas for the car.
The way you lifted it, it seemed like it was pretty empty.
No, we probably got, I don't know, maybe a third.
Oh, okay.
So you ready to go home, to go to Oklahoma?
I am, but I'm not. We've met so many nice people here. We came here just to kind of hang out for a week and relax by ourselves. And the day we got here, we heard this. And it was our friend Lindsay.
Yep.
So that was really cool. And then we got to meet more people. And then, of course, Kat and Bubba came from Tipsy Marlin. And got to go on a hike yesterday. That was pretty awesome, a 5-mile hike.
And Roger and Margaret showed up.
Yeah. All wonderful people.
Met our new friends,
Chris and Jamie.
Chris and Jamie. Yeah. So this park is, I don't know that I'd come back. It's pretty tight.
Yeah.
It's got a lot of amenities. I mean, there's nothing wrong with the park.
Oh no, it has.
Don't get me wrong.
It has a restaurant and a hair salon.
Massage parlor.
Yeah, I mean, it has massage. That doesn't sound right. The good kind, not the bad.
There's a lot going on in this park, but it's kind of tight. We like our elbow room. I mean, it's not like we couldn't get in. We got in okay, but
yeah.
I don't know that I'd come back. But anyway, we're on our way to Costco in Tucson, and we're gonna fill up the propane before we head back into Oklahoma, and we're gonna top off the gas in the car before we head back, and buy a couple of things since we're not close to a Costco there in Elk City.
Coffee.
And get ready to go.
Gotta have our coffee.
So what'd you think of the week we've had here?
We were busy the whole time.
We have been busy.
It was awesome. I mean, from thinking that we're just gonna hang out and do some walking and maybe a little hiking by ourselves, and we end up doing everything with a bunch of people, and it was a blessing.
Yeah.
It really was.
Yep. It's been fun.
Yeah.
All right. Propane's filled.
Gas tanks filled.
Gas tank's filled. Except they didn't have Coke Zero again.
I know. What's with that? I don't get it.
I don't know. So we get to go home, put things away, start cleaning up the fifth wheel, loading up the truck,
Loading up the car.
loading up the car. By the way, Aaron and Tina from Jones and Travel called us yesterday.
They did.
They left Quartzsite on a family emergency and were headed through, and they were gracious enough to give us a call and say, hey, we missed you guys crossing on the road last time. We don't want to miss you guys again.
Yeah.
So they were gracious enough to pull off to the side of the freeway, and we went out and met them and had a wonderful time with them for about 15 minutes.
I needed that.
Yes.
I've missed them so much.
We needed our Jones and the Travel fix.
We did.
And Maggie.
Just to hug them and love on them, and Maggie missed us.
So they're going through a little issue right now, and you might say prayers for them.
Yes.
And keep them going.
God knows what they need, so just
say your
prayers
prayers.
would be awesome.
Prayers for Aaron and Tina and their travels. So anyway, we're going to be busy for the rest of the day, so we're going to wrap this one up and go home and get ready to load up the car and hit the road tomorrow back to Oklahoma.
Yeah. In the cold.
In the cold. Roger Jones going to meet us up on the road, and we're going to go do a harvest host tomorrow night, and then on to Elk City. And
I'm excited to see them. Yay.
our rig will show up. Should we tell them?
Yeah.
Okay, our rig is scheduled to show up next Tuesday. In Elk City.
Finally.
Yep, if the roads are good enough to drag it down from Indiana, it's going to show up next Tuesday. And
I'm kind of nervous. You anticipate it for so many months.
Yeah.
And it's like, I hope I like it.
we're good. So anyway, we're anxious to show it to you guys, and thanks for coming along, and we will talk to you next week. So from Tucson, Arizona,
It all starts with an idea.
talk to you next week, guys. Bye-bye.
Bye.